Before and after some photos. Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Create and Edit. In the video, we'll show you how to edit cafe preset on Lightroom Mobile. Let's begin. First go to Light. Exposure -0.50. Contrast +40.
Highlights -60.
Shadows +45. White +10. And black +10. Now go to color. Vibrance +20. Saturation -6. Go to color max. Red. Saturation -30. Luminance -10. Orange saturation +10. Luminance +20. Yellow. Hue -25. Green hue -50. Saturation -16. Aqua. Saturation -50. Luminance -10. Last blue. Saturation -50. Luminance -20. Done. Now go to Effect. Clarity +16. And Dehaze +24. Done. Now go to Split Tone. Highlights Q45 and saturation +5. Done. Go to Detail. Sharpening 16. Finish. Go to Copy Settings and paste another pictures.